Good evening, everyone. It's me Pragan from Nepal to share my experience of India versus England second Paytm ODI series. The match was held in Cuttack, India in 19th January. Though I looked from TV, but I took enjoyment as I was in stadium. At first innings of India, I was so bored to see that batting of India, but by the partnership of Yuvraj Singh and Dhoni made the match interesting. I had already closed my TV, but my mind again made me to see that match because I was a cricket lover and my aim was also to be a cricketer. That time when India scored was 25 for 3 wickets, then I was shocked and I had never expected that Yuvraj and Dhoni would make centuries which caused them win by 15 runs in thrilling match. I was afraid when Dhoni's hand was cramped or something, but also he had boundaries and boundaries. Yes, I am big fan of India. I brilliantly appreciate Ian Morgan for comeback in the game. India scored 381 runs for 6 wickets, which was third highest total against England. I'm so crazy that I spent my 9 hours looking this ODI match. Though the pitch was favor of batting, England won the toss and elected to field. When the early breakthrough came for England, I thought India would not cross 250, but by Dhoni and Yuvraj's partnership of 256 runs in 134 balls, India crossed margin of 350 runs with 4 wickets remaining. Chris Woakes was the man who helped them to early breakthrough for India. They lost the 3 important wickets of Rahul, Dhawan and Kohli in first 5 overs. Again I say that I was surprised by batting of those two skippers. In second innings, Hales was out for 14 in fourth over, but Roy and Root did the partnership of 100 runs when new hope for England was being burnt. But Ashwin broke through in his first over as Root mistimed his shot and he was out. But Roy did not take any tension and he hit boundaries and boundaries. Then Ashwin and Bhumeshwar helped India a lot. England had lost his half of his army with remaining 176 runs, but Moeen Ali helped Ian Morgan a lot for comeback, but they could not win. A catch missed by Jadeja and Ronald Tank missed helped Ali to get his 50 in 40 balls, but Morgan did not mind it, and he scored his century in 80 balls. But by his mistake, he was run out by Bumrah and hope for England was finished. I have said before also, I appreciate Morgan for his effort as he was awarded as most efforting player of the match. Dhoni was awarded as brilliant player and Yuvraj Singh was awarded as man of the match. At last I say that next match will be won by England, which is going to be held in 23rd January 2017. Otherwise, England will lose their prestige because they haven't won any match with India in this series. In Test series also, India won for England by 4-0 in 5-match series. And first ODI match of India and England, India had won for England. Bye guys, please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.